5 years since the Philippines won the 2016 arbitral award, there are still a number of questions on how the ruling can be effectively enforced amid China's continuing incursions in the disputed waters. Former Supreme Court Justice Francis Hardaleza, together with his team of experts Romel Bagares and Melissa Loja, are pushing for an efficient and practical way in enforcing the 2016 award. Justice Hardaleza was among those who led the Philippines' case versus China at the Permanent Court of Arbitration. The former magistrate tells President Rodrigo Duterte that it's about time to amend the Republic Act 9522 or the current baselines law. The 2009 law states that the Philippines has sovereignty and jurisdiction into what it calls as Regime of Islands or the Kalayaan Island Group and Bajo de Basenloc or Scarborough Shoal. But the existing law needs to be updated since it did not specify the features we won in the arbitral award. Hardaleza says the proposed measure will identify at least 100 maritime features being claimed and occupied by the country in the West Philippine Sea. The 2016 arbitral ruling states that no country, including the Philippines, can claim the entire Spratlys as an archipelago or group of islands. But the Philippines can legislate to name the individual features within Spratlys that constitute an act of sovereignty over these individual features. Under Section 3 of the proposed measure, 128 maritime features are identified in the West Philippine Sea. 35 offshore rocks or high tide features were named under Section 6 of the proposed bill, which generate a territorial sea.
5 years have lapsed, and yet the country remains divided on how best to enforce the arbitral award. The bill not only enforces the award, but also ensures that the Philippines is the first claimant to legislate the individual names and the baselines of the claimed features.
The former Supreme Court Justice and Solicitor General hopes that President Rodrigo Duterte will certify the measure as urgent, saying this is the most inexpensive and effective way in enforcing the 2016 arbitral award. Tristan Nodalo, CNN Philippines.